Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thanks for clicking and I hope you stay. And if you're not, what's up, it's girl, what's popping. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, and please watch till the end because it helps my YouTube stats. It helps me on YouTube. Don't forget to share if you think it's going to be helpful and subscribe. So I'm just going to be giving guys a look that is easy to do, wearable, literally every outfit, and you don't need lashes, okay? It's honey. I mean, if you have lash extension, that's okay, but you don't really need lashes for this look. So I already used this moisturizer on my face, but I'm going to go in with serum now. It's really good. You do skincare underneath. We need to like hydrate underneath your skin. It's nice and tacky. Then eye cream. This is by Estee Lauder. So I'm going to spray my face with my Kiss Beauty. Okay, so I just mixed Pond's Latin Oil Control Vanishing Cream with setting spray, and that's what I just put all over my face right now. So I'm going to be using my Maybelline foundation in Truffle, and then I'm going to use my setting spray. Now for maximum coverage, I'm going in with a stippling brush to block that in first. So I'm going to spray my face with the setting spray, and then I'm going to go with a beauty blender. Make sure to get the crevices of your nose so product don't build up. Over to the under eye. So depending on what you're going for, you can either use a very bright concealer or a concealer 2 or 3 shades lighter than you just for an extra brightness. So I'm going to be using Truffle because I don't want it to be too bright, and then I go in with setting spray again. Okay, so I'm done with that. Now I'm going to set my face. Now the trick here is to set your face with a dry beauty blender. I know you probably never heard that before. I have been trying this since forever, but I tried to recreate one of Sweetie's Vogue, her beauty secrets, and let me tell you that video is the truth. So I'm going in with this powder. It's LA Pride, and I'm just going to use a dry beauty blender. I'm going to take what's here. Okay, so I'm done resetting the concealer. Now you can see how airbrush my skin looks. I'm sorry I've been holding out on this tip, but y'all don't be watching my video. And I'm going to go with the LA Girl Pro Powder. It's very yellow. And now this is what I'm going to use to bake. I'm still going to be baking with this powder. Now if you want the powder to stay sit, don't move, this is what you're going to do, okay? So I'm just going to take that. Now you don't want to overpower, so I'm just taking off all the excess at the back of my hand. So now that that's sitting, I'm going to go in with my Kale face definer in this middle shade. I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush. I find that a brush like this is very easy to distribute the product evenly. It gives this kind of airbrush finish, and it's really nice. Okay, so I'm equally using this contour powder to kind of dust off the excess from like here. Now I'm going to use the Milani powder, and I'm just going to use that to blend in the contour. I'm going to go in with this Face Focus brush by Zoeva, and it has a very tapered, see, so it lays down well. I'm just going to use that to carefully dust off the excess from underneath my eyes. Okay, so I'm done dusting that off. And so if you can just see how the base looks so nice. So we're going to be doing the brows right now. Now your brows, they don't have to be too perfect, so you could conceal them, but I won't conceal mine. So I'm just going to put very little concealer on my lid. I'm going to use a buffer brushes after I Okay, so at this point now you can decide to use either of the two powders. This one is more beige, this one is yellow. So you can either decide to use either of them to set your lid. But I'm going to be using the more beige. And I'm going to be using the dry sponge. Now if you're a fan of setting your brows, you can set yours. But if not, you can just use like a brow gel or something. So I'm going to be setting my brows with powder. Now I know you're probably worried because my face looks very powdery. But I'm going to fix that soon. So now the eyes. So honestly, at this point, you can decide to the eyes. I'm just going to go in with this one here, and I think I'm just going to use all the colors here actually. Now I'm going to put mascara. Okay, so I just did mascara and let's do blush. So I'm going to be using this one and I'm not going to put too much of it. Okay, now for highlight. So I'm going to be going the liquid route and I'm going to be using this NYX Born to Glow Illuminator. This thing is a boss. Let's do this thing. I'm just going to outline my lip with a brown pencil. Okay, so this is what I said to do with the lips. I went in with this in the middle, this pencil, like to outline my lips, and then I used gloss over. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of this video. It was really fun filming this look, honestly. It's very neutral, simple. You can even call this soft glam. It's full as hovering. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what other summer makeup videos you'd like me to do. Honestly, I have so much fun making this video. This makeup looks so good. I look so cute. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you watched till the end, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because oh, I didn't even pick my pen. This is Virgo. Where all my Virgo ladies at? If you're Virgo, please let me know down in the comment section, because like, so yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't even look real. What? Will you take me out? Like, this will you take